Are you finding that your baby is covered too much by fabric? So ideally, we don't want the top of the carriers coming any higher than the bottom of baby's ears. This allows their necks to be supported, but allows their heads to be free and move. So if you're finding that your carrier is coming up too high, and it's not a carrier with an adjustable panel, so something like the Tula or Mama Ruga, just two off the top of my head, have adjustments that shrink and grow the length of the panel. If you have something like a Beco Gemini like this one, or an Ergobaby as well, people struggle with baby's heads being too low inside the panel, but there's nowhere to adjust it. We're going to adjust it with the waistband. So what we're going to do is going to slide our hands in under baby's bottom and push baby up so that their heads are nice and high on the firm part of our chest where we want them to be for safety. And we're going to pull the carrier basically kind of down and away from them so it's in the place we want it, kind of up to the ears and no higher. And then we're going to tuck that waistband right up underneath baby, and I can take my hand out now. I'm going to tuck that waistband right up nice and high and then tighten that up so it stays there. And by doing this, we create a nicer fit for baby. Their head now is uncovered, so their head is free to move around. They can turn that from side to side if they want. We're supporting their neck, but their head is free. Their airways are clearer and they're able to move. So just by bringing that waistband up, we use more fabric under baby's bum and less fabric comes up over their head. I hope that was helpful. If you're still struggling and it's still not fitting properly, reach out to me at South Essex Slings and hopefully I can help you out.